Today I want to make something easy, so walnut, bread, garlic, milk, Parmesan cheese. We will go to prepare some walnut sauce. The sauce. In general, walnut sauce is typically used to season Pansotti, but actually it is a sauce very good with any kind of pasta. There are different recipes, but all the traditional ones do not require cream. Put the bread in a bowl and cover with the milk. When it is completely wet, then it's ready. Put the walnut, the garlic in the blender, blend for a couple of minutes until the walnuts are well crumbled and it turns smooth. Add the leaves of marjoram and the Parmesan cheese only at the end. So we mix also the bread with the blender and we put the walnut in. The marjoram is actually not in the traditional recipe, but I put it because I like it. When it is time to season the pasta, any kind of pasta, dry pasta, handmade pasta, ravioli, Pansotti of course, add some oil and warm water to obtain a thick creamy sauce. Some traditional recipes suggest removing the outer rind of the walnut after having immersed them into boiling water for a few seconds. I do not remove the rind because I like a more rustic consistency in the sauce, and I believe that also the rind contributes to give a characteristic flavor to the sauce. And yes, I confess, it also makes the recipe easier and quicker. Please subscribe to the channel. Have fun. Bye.